Mimi! Mimi!
Oi! Mimi, 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 Monique, Mimi.
Alright, so we've just arrived to this ring ceremony. Ooh, yum! Can't wait to eat. So we're just about to go inside to meet the groom. Oh yeah, this is what's going on. I'm just gonna explain what's happening behind the camera. So I have no idea. It's my first time, guys. Bear with me. Alright, so they're just taking photos right now, and then I think after I'm gonna head inside to see the guy. I'm excited. I haven't seen him. Kavis has seen this guy quite a few times. So yeah. Heading inside. Oh, there's food as well. Wow. That is so cool. I can't wait to eat. I'm so hungry, guys. So hungry. I only had breakfast this morning. But yeah, these are all the ladies from the girls' family. Some of them are my Maji or my mother-in-law's sisters, and the one in yellow is actually my mum's sister, her little sister. So we're about to go in. The girl's gonna meet the guy, and then we'll do the engagement. The guy's family is inside. Okay, so that's the guy, guys. Seeing him for the first time. So photo shoot's currently happening right now. Just taking as much amazing photos as possible. They look so good together. Look at them. So as you can see, photography is a big part of, you know, Indian engagements or weddings. So yeah, that's like the most important thing. More and more photos. Look at my beautiful girl. Oh, she looks so cute on this Indian dress that she's got on. She looks so beautiful. Alright, so we're gonna do the ring now. Amara's gonna be taking that blue thing that's got the ring on to the couple. Yay! They're finally engaged. Congrats. Oh, look at my girl. She looks like she's having the best time of her life. How cute is she? Hey, 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 hey. Good body, good Raja. Body, Raja. I have no idea what I'm saying.
शादी के लिए रजामंद कर
So I think that's the guy's father. Yeah. She's touching her feet. So yeah, he's definitely the father. Amara's now taking photos with her brother. And I'm gonna be up next. So that's the bride's parents, and her dad is actually my mother-in-law's brother, and they're pretty close.
क्या हाल है मेरे भाई?
Alright, so now they're gonna cut the cake. How cute. My sister-in-law is telling me not to look at her, otherwise she'll cry. The photographer has to make sure that they're capturing every single thing. Why are you looking at me? Come. Doody doody dum dum, doody doody dum, doody doody dum. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for watching this vlog. I will see you in the next one. I totally forgot to end the vlog, but thank you so much for tuning in, for watching, and for supporting. I love you guys. I will see you in the next one.